Hi, I'm Dan from Blue Collar Back Office, and today I want to talk to you about using QuickBooks Online and what I consider to be the #1 feature, which is the bank feeds. Not only do I want to talk to you about it, I want to actually show it to you. So, the reason I love the bank feeds is it eliminates a lot of work, double entries. Once you connect your bank and your credit cards into QuickBooks Online, literally any penny that comes in or out of your accounts is going to make its way into QuickBooks. QuickBooks connects with your accounts every day, downloads any new transactions. So let me show you a little bit about how that works. So what I have open here, just so everybody knows, is being that, Blue Collar Back Office, we are a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and we have access to a sample company. So this isn't anybody's real information. This is a sample company we can go into, do anything we want, and when we come back out, it just kind of resets. So, but it allows us to show you some things. So over here, this is your dashboard when you log in, shows you some basic just snapshots of your company. But over here to the right, you see the accounts that the sample company has logged in. So when you jump into your bank feed, at the top here, you see all the different accounts you have and how many transactions you have to review. So let's just go through some. So the easiest thing is if you've done the work ahead of time and you've entered a deposit into the system or an expense, or you wrote a check and you actually processed it in the system, it hits your bank register, and then when it actually clears your bank account, when it comes through, you get the connection here. It says there's one record found, an expense to, in this case, a company called Hicks Hardware. It matches up, there's nothing to be done, you hit match, and off it goes. You see here, this person, there's two possible connections that you have, okay? You have an expense, or you have a bill payment that you'd processed in the system already that happens to be for the same amount. Because of the information that came through from the bank, that it was to this person named Pam, we know that this is the one that it should match to, not this random expense, and we hit match. Now, if you have something that you hadn't entered into QuickBooks yet, you just went to the store and you used your credit card or your debit card, and now the transaction is filtering its way into QuickBooks, now you need to add it into your system. So from here, you hit the button, you select your vendor. Let's see if it's somebody that's in the system already. It is not. But you can add the vendor right here. Okay, that's our new vendor. Okay, and what category do you want to go to on your chart of accounts? Looks like, what do we have in here? Doesn't really matter. We'll just pick something, maintenance and repairs. Down here, you can add any memo that you need to add and add any attachments. So say you had a receipt for this transaction. Right from here, you can click that button, add the receipt, and now going forward, that receipt will be saved to that transaction going forward. Okay, so these are really the simple tool to use to manage your bank accounts and your credit card accounts and your chart of accounts. So I think it's the, again, most wonderful tool that QuickBooks Online has. It's something that even if you are not experienced or comfortable doing a lot of work in QuickBooks, it's not something that's hard to pick up. Or as always, give us a call. We're happy to take care of this for you. These are the types of things we do for our clients. When I talk to potential clients, the #1 issue I get from people is that they just don't have the time to do their bookkeeping, or they just hate doing it. But again, as we talked about, it's really important to be on top of these things. So even if you don't like doing it, QuickBooks Online makes it pretty painless for you to do things the right way, or to find somebody to do it for you. So just wanted to run you through that a little bit. As we go forward, I'll show you some more of the tools of QuickBooks Online and what they can do for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line. Thank you for your time and have a great day.